Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of losing or breaking expensive sunglasses, this video is for you. Today we are breaking down the best stylish and protective sunglasses you can get for under $25. Whether you need them for driving, fishing, or just everyday wear, we've got you covered with some amazing budget-friendly options. Let's dive right in and find your next favorite pair of shades without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about Goodr sunglasses. These are widely considered the ultimate durable beater sunglasses. Generally priced right around $25, they feature high-quality plastic frames and polarized lenses. They have a fantastic no-slip design, perfect if you lead an active lifestyle or tend to drop your shades a lot. Honestly, for $25, Goodr is a top-tier choice for anyone who wants style and durability. Next, if you are shopping on Amazon, you absolutely have to check out the brand Cagliari. They are incredibly popular, frequently priced under $25, and offer lightweight frames with excellent UV protection. These are especially great for fishing and golf, where clear vision and protection are absolutely essential. For those who spend a lot of time behind the wheel, Cagliari and Phytosun offer strong polarized options for road glare. For the hardcore outdoor enthusiasts, let's look at Cast King Flat Rock sunglasses. They are known for providing excellent value with their polarized sports options that can take a beating. And don't forget Under Armour. You can actually find select active models from them for under $25. These give you a comfortable, non-slip, and durable fit that stays put no matter what you're doing. If fashion is your main focus, brands like Faguma, Luanx, and Meetsun offer a huge variety of styles. You'll find everything from classic aviators to retro designs, all with polarized and UV-resistant lenses. You can also check out HSN for stylish frames like cat eyes that look like they cost 10 times more. And if you wear prescription glasses, HiFot offers great budget-friendly clip-ons so you don't miss out. You really don't have to break the bank to protect your eyes and look absolutely great doing it. Which of these styles is your favorite? Do you prefer the sporty Goodrs or the classic aviators? Let me know below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly finds. Thanks for watching, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next one.